This is 2021, the Dodge Scat Pack with a 6.4. We just replaced the rear mufflers and tips, put some nice 5-inch upgraded black double wall tips out. Took the factory rear mufflers off, or resonators if people want to call them. Put the Dynamax race bullets in there, and then went with the Magnaflow wide open mufflers. Got a factory X pipe and factory cats. Customer just wanted to wake it up a little bit, not wake up the dead, but give it a deeper tone than, you know, these things are kind of raspy from the factory. They kind of have a higher pitch tone, but this Magnaflow should give it a lower, deeper tone. Let's see what it sounds like. Definitely a lot smoother. Less cackle than the factory. That's pretty nice sounding.